warm welcome to all our viewers. I'm Mona Ismail and you're watching the evening bulletin at News and Images. Our top headlines. Recent parliament environment irks even ruling party man Obaidul Qadir, calls on talented students to join politics for change. BNP questions 39 years late in trying war criminals, demands trial of those who committed crimes against humanity in post-liberation era. Some 6,500 security personnel to secure city men on Bangla New Year Day, says Police Inspector General Noor Muhammad. Who is to blame for militant financing? Islamic organizations cannot avoid responsibility, say people. And Polish president killed in a tragic plane crash along with wife and senior government ministers. Our main story. Awami League Presidium member Obaidul Qadir has expressed concern over the unhealthy environment of the parliament, which he said has become a place to attack each other in recent times. To change the country's political course, he also sees a need for the talented students to join politics. If the meritorious students remain out of politics, other incompetent people would occupy their place.
The Awami League Presidium member was addressing to the students at a scholarship giving ceremony at the city's Imperial Hotel. He said that the present parliament has been a place of attacking each other by using indecent words. He also talked about the lack of courtesy of the parliament members when talking about their opponents. According to him, participation of talented students in politics can bring a change in the current political culture of the country. He thinks if the talented students remain out of politics, only bad people would occupy their place and rule the country.
Computer engineer hobe, কিন্তু কেউ বলে না সে রাজনীতি করবে। কেন বলে না? এমনও বলে যে রাজনীতিকে হেট করে। আমি ফেসবুকে দেখি কম্পিউটারে ম্যাক্সিমাম ছেলেমেয়েরা মেধাবী ছেলেমেয়েরা বলে যে আই হেট পলিটিক্স। লোকেরা রাজনীতি না করলে রাজনীতি চরিত্রহীন হয়ে পড়বে।
Referring to the ongoing power, gas and water crisis, he said that the Prime Minister was looking into the matter with due importance. He also urged the country people not to waste water, gas and power in this regard.
এখন বিদ্যুতের অভাব, পানির অভাবে যারা দুর্ভোগ পোহাচ্ছে তাদের কাছে প্রিয় মানুষের কণ্ঠস্বর কর্কশ লাগে। জনগণ যে লোডশেডিং ভোগ করছে দুর্ভোগ, সেই দুর্ভোগের অংশীদার আমাদেরও হওয়া উচিত।
At the program, a total of 110 meritorious students are given Taka 1000, a crest and certificate each on the occasion. H.M. Murtuja, News and Images, Dhaka.
The trial of the war criminals should have been held when the crimes took place. And if the government holds the trial of crimes against humanity, it should also bring those who committed such crimes during 1972 to 1975 to justice. Two BNP Standing Committee members ASM Hanan Shah and Goishwar Chandra Rai have made these remarks on Saturday. They were addressing a program entitled Liberation War, War Criminals and Bangladesh at Present.
Infamously known as Razakar.
In the 1971 Liberation War, some 3 million people were killed with some 2 lakh women violated. Some Bengalis who called themselves the Rajakars, Al-Badrs and Al-Shams joined hands with the occupying Pakistan armed forces in the killing spree. However, as per its election place, the government has initiated trial process of the war criminals under the International Crimes Tribunal Act 1973. But BNP Standing Committee member Goishwar Chandra Roy claimed that government is not holding the trial of war criminals. It is holding the trial of crimes against humanity, which has no time, no specification.
তারা নির্বাচনী অঙ্গীকারে বলেছেন যুদ্ধাপরাধীর বিচার করবেন, কিন্তু আইনমন্ত্রী কিন্তু সেই চুক্তির কথা বলে যে কারণে যুদ্ধাপরাধীর বিচার করা যায় না, মানবাধিকার লঙ্ঘনের বিচার করা সরকারের একটি কনস্টিটিউশনাল রেসপন্সিবিলিটি এবং এই দায়বদ্ধতা সরকারের এটা কন্টিনিউয়াস রেসপন্সিবিলিটিও বলা যায়। অর্থাৎ এটা কোনো স্থান সময় কাল নেই
39 years have passed since the crime took place. Hannan Shah, another BNP leader, has pointed out, adding that the trial should have been held right away.
যুদ্ধ অপরাধীদের তালিকাও ছিল 195 জনের ঠিকানা বাপের নাম কি করেছেন সেগুলো তদন্ত করে বের করা হয়েছিল কিন্তু কোনো ট্রাইব্যুনালও গঠন করা হয় নাই কোনো বিচারও করা হয় নাই কি কারণে করা হয় নাই আপনারা অনেকেই সে কথা শুনেছেন
Speakers at the program also claimed that if government tries those who committed crimes against humanity in 1971, the government should also try those committed the same crimes in the aftermath of the Liberation War, or else it will be unconstitutional, they said. Khair Hussain Shumon, News and Images, Dhaka.
In more BNP news, the party's standing committee member Khondukar Mosharraf Hossain has said that the Awami League Central Committee lost control over its associated bodies such as Chhatra League and Jubo League. This, according to him, has put the country's democracy at risk. He also claimed that Awami League has set double standards in the judicial system. Khondukar Mosharraf was addressing at a roundtable discussion